we wanted to show you how to preserve your herbs. Not many people know that you can dry your own herbs at home and even make your own seasoning blends. I do it all the time. You can dry on the grill or in the oven. I just set my oven at like 175 and leave the door cracked, and everything goes on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Make sure you watch them while you do your herbs because some take longer than others. Like I said, you can kind of pull it out and do what I call a crunch test. If they crunch under your hand and kind of give, then you know for sure they are dry. So here we have some thyme and some basil. And this is what I do to kind of release the leaves of the thyme from the stem. I just get my hands in there, and a lot of people don't know, your hand is one of the best tools in the kitchen. I just kind of go in here. Look at that. Right? Even some of the stems, you know, when we talk about cooking herbs, plenty of stems taste just like the herbs. So the stems aren't really your enemy. It's more just like a texture thing and what you're going to use them for. And just so you know, basil takes the longest to get that crunch test. All right, look at that. Just go in and hand crunch those as well. Then you get yourself a jar, and when you're ready to saute or do a rub or make some kind of a marinara sauce, herbs fresh from your garden or your window, and you saved money. All right, I'm just gonna cover this up. Keep it nice and airtight.